we will need some water, tissue paper, disposable cup, and food color. Let's start the experiment. Okay, let's put total 7 cups in here. Water in the first cup. Skip the next cup and put the water in the third cup. Skip the fourth cup and put the water in the fifth cup. Now skip the 6th cup and pour the water in the 7th cup. Now we will put some food color inside the water cups. First color is the color green. Now let's put the red color. Now the third color will be the color blue. That's one of my favorite colors. Now the color yellow. Put one side of the tissue inside the colored water and one into the empty. Now wait for 2 hours. अभी start हो रहा है.